Lake Central awaits its daily noontime drenching from lowering rain clouds. Scrubby pines and pear trees frame the foreground. There's a storm coming here. Rosy flamingo skimming slug body salt pond. A land snail at pond's edge. Prickly fruit of yerba stinky. A young century plant. A green iguana. A wild bent divvy tree atop Mount Brandaris. A short Najib fungi. A spotlight parrotfish. Peacock's tail algae and snails. A cluster of spiny sea urchins. A hermit crab in a vase shell. Mockingbirds and mesquite tree at Pawsey Mangel. A hovering hummingbird. A female yellow warbler. Doves at the water hole. A poisonous prickly poppy. Cactus clumps northeast of Pawsey Mangel. Prickly pear cactus. A pair of parakeets atop of cactus. A sprouting melon cactus. A fuzzy chiton. Narrate snails on brain coral. Crystals of sea salt. Sunset at surf splashed baka kokolishi. Shh. At a busy colony of Bonaire, rose-eared flamingos divide in parental duty, some brooding single eggs in mud nests, others standing ground. Look at all these flamingos. A ghost crab's deadly claw stops a 2-inch long, 3/4-ounce baby turtle as the tiny prey makes a desperate dash to the sea from the sand nest where it was hatched. The burrow-dwelling crab, whose pale in color swift through movement make it an efficient beach predator, will drag the struggling turtle to shelter by the back of the neck, then devour it alive. See? Ooh, I don't want to get pinched by that ghost crab. A rich profusion of corals crowned the sloping face of a reef in the blue-green waters of St. John in the Virgin Islands. Like a mountainside, a reef is divided into life zones that harbor distinct animals and plants, depending on such factors of depth, sunlight, and temperature of the water and wave action. In this 25-foot deep section, alkaline coral dominates the top, while fire coral and sea whips pervade this steep slope, and massive rock-like brain coral resides at the bottom. See? There's the brain coral. There's the staghorn coral. Look at all that coral. And there's a school of fish, or tetras, as I might say. Encrusted with patches of algae, oysters, and barnacles, a large red fire sponge, mangrove roots provide a habitat for a school of dwarf herring and several crawling sea urchins. Oh, this is the dwarf herring. Rock llamas like scalp trap food with wavy tentacles. A spidery brittle star crawls over soft red fire sponges. A red-banded coral shrimp defensively waves its pincers. That kind of looks like Jackus from Finding Nemo. Searching for food, a carnivorous starfish prowls across a dense stand of mixed sea grasses, mostly turtle grass, with some narrow-leafed manatee grass. In the background, mushroom-like clusters of algae thrust upward. There's the starfish. See here. And look at all that grass surrounding it. A longer frogfish entices its prey by moving the pinkish spine atop its head. The pinkish spine. Black sea urchins and silvery grunts graze in a patchy turtle grass field. Cratered mounts in a thinly vegetated sandflat are the burrow entrances dug out by ghost shrimp. See all the burrow entrances? A French firefish mimics green spotted algae. A West Indian fighting con